Well, you don't have voter permission to do the tiny project you're doing now with the full tax increase.
Project Connect, the $7 billion transit program approved by Austin voters in 2020, includes a light rail system and expands bus routes across the city. But a lawsuit filed against the city by a group of Austinites in August claimed the money raised by the property tax increase for the project is not being used as promised.
The law requires the city to get voter approval for the big tax increase, yet you're not giving them what you promised you would.
Bill Alishire is the attorney who sued the city in this case and says in the past 4 years, Project Connect has accumulated more than $400 million tax dollars that have yet to be spent. Because of that, he says it's unlawful to continue collecting the money, especially for a project that has gone through massive changes. But last week, a Travis County judge dismissed the suit.
I think the case should have been heard, and I think we should have gotten our day in court. And that'll be our argument to the Third Court of Appeals and then to the Supreme Court.
But some transit advocates like Luis Astalugo says the lawsuit dismissal was not only expected, but celebrated.
They are going against the democratic will of the city, and that the facts are not on their case because they don't have the facts. They don't have the political capital to be able to kill the project.
Alishire is hoping to change that, though, and work with state lawmakers this legislative session.
So I think other legislators look at this and say, the law shouldn't allow it. I think, ironically, the judge's decision is going to help us get legislation passed that'll put an end to this.
Despite Alishire's plans to appeal the judge's decision, Luis is hoping the project moves forward to bring more affordable transit options to Austinites.
I think we've got the political will, we've got everyone on board, and I do think we're going to be executing forward with a good vision for it.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.